Hi guys, this morning I want to cover a quick couple of exercises for warming up your ankles. They're called ankle walks, and they're generally very good for if you do a lot of running, especially trail running or anything like that, jumping about, acrobatics of some kind, parkour, things like that, things that give your ankles a lot of beating. So I want to cover those quickly today. So first of all, what we're going to do is, if I back up a little bit, you're just going to initially find something to walk along, like a nice little line or anything. So you're just going to walk heel to toe, but when you get to your toes, you're going to push up onto your tiptoes. Heel to toe, push up onto your tiptoes, heel to toe, tiptoes, heel to toe, tiptoes. Just to get the calf and the general ankle moving. So heel to toe and tiptoes. So that's the first one. So if you want, you can, take that a little bit further. You can actually go backwards a little. So you go toe to heel and pull the toes up to your shin. Now it'll be harder to stay in a straight line. So toe to heel, pull that up to the shin, toe to heel, pull up to the shin, toe to heel, pull to the shin, toe to heel, to the shin, and try and keep your balance as best you can. So from there, we'll just take that down into the little component parts. So what we will do is we'll go up onto our tippy toes. Now, if you're doing acrobatics or gymnastics or anything, we used to always push our arms up by our ears just to help extend that line up. But if you're just doing it, if you're going for a run or anything like that, just, wherever's comfortable. But you're going to be up and you're just going to walk on your tiptoes, just like that. Just walk around there a little bit, you don't have to go anywhere specific. And then you can reverse that, so you can obviously walk backwards on your tiptoes. So this just gets everything fired up and you're completely extended in the ankle, just to kind of open that joint up a little bit. From there, you can go to your heels. Really pull the toes to the shin, and you always feel like you're on stilts, walking like this on your heels, so you can go forward, backwards, side to side, do whatever you want. Just get that time on the heels as you're walking. So you've now done forwards and backwards. We're going to go to the sides. So this is probably the most awkward out of the whole set of them, is the inside. So you're going to tilt inwardly on the foot. So this just opens up the little joint in here on the inside of the ankle. So might seem a bit funny, but it's worth doing. So forwards and backwards. Pick a 5-meter stretch or something, say up and down your garden or your hallway or something like this before you go for a run. And from there you've done the inside, so you're going to tilt out the way. So you're going to walk on the outside of the feet. So try and lift from the hip in this, so you're not bending your knees like that, you're lifting from your hip, so you're getting that QL on the go as well. There we go. So what you can do then is you can mix it up a little bit. So you can start up on your tiptoes, just walk about, down onto your heels, in, to the outside, tiptoes again, so you can just play around with it. You don't have to be super strict going backwards and forwards. Play around with it, but make sure you hit all 4 positions, and that'll help articulate and warm up that ankle for if you're going for a run or anything like that.